where we first stopped yesterday. Please, as you are come, help me to love and like this video for me. Love and like this video for me. Amata Moria will get Toria waiting and doleji. Too much of everything is bad. I talked yesterday, say this video. I go dey play am small. Till you go bring all those things where be say use the man take talk. Say this woman don't take away a live video. Say I dey insult am. Say oh he picture he full my wall. Till he prove am out. The video where I tell insult am all those things of yore. Omana viore egbere yohera ne maybe ye. Cause auto I never see where be say old woman like this go dey lie. Wetin go make you dey lie? Please love and like this video, my people. Wetin go make you dey lie? Why you go dey lie? You know if you talk truth. Even though say that person you know even like her. Why you want lie for your head? Why you want put lie for your head? What did the person never do? You say don't they do one since. Now only I hand down for Sian. Or in the name of say you want spoil that person. You don't know, say you don't see the name where I give myself. If you touch me, you will never remain the same. You will never remain the same. Let make me know the life for person head. It more about man. No matter say I go dislike you rich. I not go lie for your head. Please let me to love and like this video. I don't lie for your head. What you gonna make me lie for your head? Eh? Why? Why I go do one? Now should they do? You come out. As a grown-up woman, where we first stop, I am with the list. As a grown-up woman, you want to talk for issue.
When you say go. Me, I feel try to see this woman. I get many words where I want to tell her.
Hey, I tell you.
The most poor Oyibo wife.
One of the
when you say in canvas, it be like street market.
Ogun Oba, your bomb your way. I dey come for you. That's why I tell you, I go. There is a your tan. You go no, but no bekane. You go no, but no bekane. Thank God now you come meet me for where I sit down. I dey happy say now you come meet me because 2 video where be say I don't do for you since I did this live video. I never insult you, never. Even the last one where I do where be say I analyze between where that one where be say where it a say you join. I not even insult you. But you do video. You don't insult me for that video. I reply you. I not reply you. Don't know say I mature past you. When they tell me say you do video, I not watch am. I say leave am. I not fit. Now me analyze a video. So I know say I not insult am, but make carry go. In our be a gbenu, I just wrong. I piavanti well. But if you me when not do day you way. You go nowhere. If you not provide all those evidence, come out. Bring and come. Not only that one I ask you. Very simple. Very, very simple. When married before una ya gwalo dom you carry. Why, you not get your own husband. God so kind. I still dey my way. They here nothing they move me. Nothing they move me. Where you all? Error. Mamia bebo yak bebo. What do I below social media? What do I tell? Tia bonne no matia bonue. They see now let you want they see everything where they come where they run for social media. As you just big rich. Young girl where age is a number. You, yes, young boy you are. I'll choke my hand for your eye. I will never lie on you. Never. Because I mean the talker. so that anywhere where they go draw me go, I go fit stand, talk wetin I talk for them. Why told you now say now go free? Why you go free? Yeah? You not go free. Not be everybody go put life for your head. You go free like that. You
not get what you go tell her. I go from 4 they give you. Me having that.
Jonah, yeah.
What you go tell?
Now so she tell they do one. They make peace. Not they for social media. She they talk to the one where they find peace they go, where they find apology they go. Then you go now. So the way where she tell they operate under, then she they tell this one now say. Like say you just know as you come out, you go just face me. You understand? If you not get what you want tell me, she go dey phone. They tell that one go they talk am. Now no, they no ya operate. Now she they tell that one. Now you come the fee say me, I not get my mouth because you now you load there so no when you go no me.
What you go tell her? Eh? You dey get? Guys, share this video for me.
You go say in their advice people, as you just big rich, common sense.
In the this one a person, now everybody fighting. He said they come. And those people were first stay darkness.
When I don't see me say me they fight Monica for this live video, not be analyze the video they analyze. You don't see me say I carry now you they call now on your live video. No one way be say you know they call now because you they find people where want watch you. Now maybe that person will come and say, even though say now one person did there, good and fine, just did there, I not say your head correct. I know they find people where head not correct. Now you they find people many years where they for live video, why you want people not go watch you. What is your business? You know, she said they do my blogging. And they blog, and they analyze. Which one you they do? Who has one here? Anywhere that they see you for them, nobody for this live video and those sides where go talk good of you. No one. Nobody even know say you dead there again. If not be Mama Lovely where be say sometimes you go they do video they call you for that. Nobody know. Mama man do the live video. Who were dojo gberangbe. And this video go they do one small thing. You go bring and come.
You see the way they go. Have a bed, you know.
I don't know why it be say people will not good. Now they first to force, they throw marks, they give people. Why it be like that? If me I stand, they can me mudia, you were not mudia, but we're not even nage. Any auntie, or other egbedi no huani. Mr. says Mr. Fat. Yo, Emma when I sa. You want bust. Go me daughter. You'll not be fatness again. Not be fatness. You're not good at all. It's not just good. Go take care of yourself. I know say na frustration. You know say when be say they don't frustrate, no man carry, then they use another man. Please send me to love and like this video. Share this video for me. Then they carry another woman, another man, wife. Then they carry, they go use until they say na their husband. That's why they be. I must hear you egbe. Not be me say may you leave the or you boy say you fair marry. I tell you may you leave, huh? What it can make you wrong? You the wrong they go, you the thing say maybe you'll see black where go carry you. They not carry because who go out who want carry you? They not fit carry. Even the Oyibo say no go even say one stay with you. Well, yeah, where you not sabi talk. One year no hohone. Everywhere go they smell. Say I will be that one. They will say now this person they talk. Who go out you not get character. You not sabi talk for something. Nothing where you sabi do. You just spoil everything they go. They can now have anyone not dead there for they see you. Not be where then they repair.
Oh, Adam, what is happening?
Yeah, now where they talk to the one where they find apology they go.
Video,
okay.
And I see said president they use our name shout for there. I will reach there just now. Okay.
You say get many things where one penny for this video. I mean when me with don't first get maybe misunderstanding. I don't even know whether she they exist. Here till this end of this video. Because I don't want me too day long. Then all your video no where you have I'll come there and me before I know they analyze your video where who will be me now. You don't die for my hand. all the video where you come they do now, I will come they bring the come they analyze or make sure say the advice when they put for there. Say you don't they like you better pass person where you want give advice to otherwise. Because me I don't know person where you better pass for this social media. Nobody. Woman ye. When you not get you don't better pass anybody. Please love and like this video for me. Help me to share this video. Hey, Tina Sam, why you there? I greet you, mommy.
Anybody distract you, bring her out. A video there.
No, sir. You don't want to here. You see, he said me when they say, Onion me not there. I need apology. Onion me not there. You even talk and say, we must see Bonnie. I they call like me and time mother they like. Just because of say Ogwalo, it defend the way we want to bring the issue back. Hey, I greet you. I'm not say I greet you. Now do well so not take on. You understand? Yeah, quack bear you.
Only my sister was in Nigeria. That one go take off with papa and mama. Not to talk of say.
I greet you.
Anybody can send, like as I said, anybody can send money to anybody. Una way day na if una send money for mama, I will tell una thank you because una love me. Let make una send money to my mama. Not because my mama not see food chop. Not be say they hungry. You dey get me?
Maybe just the list and they go.
All right. Now, what be all this nonsense? So if person decide now say no one fight for our mind now because the person get message, who not get secret for this social media? Everybody gets. This social media so what we just this so. Who not get secrets? Who not get dirty secret? We will just fight each other. If you tell me, I will tell you. You know what I'm saying? They don't ever. They do that. Even places where we say the naked picture don't come out for this social media, it's still living. I don't get that one. So what you will never say yes for social media when we won't call you. Okay, if you be say you know that one, why are you going back to the video one for settle? You know say you that one day, yeah? You for no your mind this funny news. When we say you know they investigate before you carry.
Ogunba gbuwe, they no gbuwe na. Ogunba iko we okbaika Ogunba or iko we. I know they investigate. Me and you now, who can be the person where be say no investigate? Not be you, shame on you. Old fool, we not get sense. Before you do this video, you find out whether video na new or na old. You not find out. Because on you know where you know they find out, you just jump for inside. You just say I be like you. I not be like you. You don't see anybody where be say they do live video where come like when they attack me, say, you not even investigate on this matter, you just for enter. Why you they analyze this video? Why you they insult me? It not they, because I know they insult them. Even the one where they find apology, they go. Even talk and say, I know insult them. He say na kola. Emi ne kola wata wasoniye. Emi ne kola wata when na tama we omodion. Omodion no mani so ma eta agbe. Agbe. You see, no only she will be the person where be say if you see something, you no go find that. You no go ask question. All day you wear no ye na get bedini, all day you wear gbidi. Like say no they walk now for say maybe na hungry they pursue and they go. You they walk, what if they pursue you up and down? Why rule they like you anything where you just fly, you just carry. Anyone where you pass, you just draw on your body. You go near you know the when I say. You know the rich. You know I am you baby. You don't enter my trap. You enter. You know they investigate before you start to the talk. If you go this on my platform here, you'll see some of my picture, the food here. Ew! Gege! You see? Obuada, wegbe. Ew! Jesus is Lord. Can't go to meet you. If you not prove all these things, he said where they come. That be the thing. He said where they come, I don't go leave you for waste. You see all these words where they use so. And then I'm a view and a dajina. You must bring her out. If you don't bring her out, you talk one, you say, don't say where don't they insult me. You don't say where don't they give me name. You say all your picture now, you fool my war. If you not prove them, bring out. Because me, I don't know whether you they exist. Because I don't know the kind of person where you be. I go carry you, I go throw away for inside river where near me for you. In a way, there's one lewe mukba because people where they behave as you they behave. I know they like them. I know they want me and they need them. Now make me carry you. I go put for dustbin. It's where's the don't make the river just carry they go. What I want use your picture to do? Yeah. I dey analyze you. I dey analyze what you they talk. You don't ever see me say I can't sit down. I can't say this one where you don't talk. So I dey analyze them. No. Now me still talk and say if maybe I don't talk for matter where be say you and Percy do either 2 or 3 video finish since I entered this live video. If you say na lie, prove me wrong. And bring those video where be say you I tell they insult you. You don't tell where they insult you. Men wanna where the something go they like now so now they talk. Don't tell where don't they insult me. Where I never even open my mouth to tell you say I don't ever tell you because you need them. Please love and like this video for me. Because you need them. I don't watch most of una where be say una age don't see big una age what be here una know the respect una self. All what una need now people where be say you go they not come for una brain baka wa now una need una no need to the best when they talk to una like we quite respect in why be you why me oh yeah na yati e bonu wa amana mu gbegbu wa hu wa heaven as me wa hara you wo hu na this one na you love if not before I not go try ya now I don't ever try ya can't use your head to swear whether I don't ever try ya like this. I never even thought, say, okay, now, oh, well, now, the day done now, and you what they ma, the day, the day, the here, or me, I can't use like something like that. I never do one. I never do one. I never call you a day before. I never insult you. I never call you a day zagazaga. I never call you a day of Betty. I never do one. But where you were, me, Justina, you were my sister. Thank you for coming.
When they take lie on me, you go just put my picture back, lie on my head.
Woo! Oh, sorry. If you not bring gun, oh, go on by call way. When me nika oh, go on ba or you call way, and you go bring gun because me and one way bug way. Oh, what said straight? Phew. You make a tie no. Boka do tie me. You can eat otaji. We gonna lie on you. E can not lie on you ni. Umana muere. E bagbon e gbe mi kan okowe. Me I dey lie on you because I not can see. Wait you we are capable where you how you dey look yourself safe. People don't know whether you dey for social media. People don't know because people they look and say that one frustrate more than leave am for them. Now some people they look you. If not be because you want to call your leader for there, they call it name. People for not they even know whether you they exist because they don't know say you be person where be say a brain where too much of code don't enter inside, don't block the brain. So anything where be say you they talk, then they look at wasi me I dey lie on you. Obo adawe gbe. O ma na via me video ni re.
I be the follow and come and follow.
What again?
I say, oh no, I be mad.
Bona si o na chebi na the year. How many people me with the don saga for this social media? Okpaika, come they name them one by one. They not near me, na me go carry them. Come they name them one by one. Then how many you where be say sit down in you go they draw their leg. Oh yeah, come they name them one by one. Wa soon go then they will wa. Of your boy you spoke money me no je we we.
Oh now don't say because of that one and I make you no one answer. I don't want answer because we don't say so. I don't want answer because I don't want fight. Punto. According to Italia say punto.
Stazita menda.
Una don't settle. You see where you don't fair talk now.
Punto igbo.
You don't fair talk some words. You don't first talk some words for front before you can say, una don't settle. But no. Now if everywhere like that. You don't go listen to this can finish. You enter line. Because one wishes I was away when he lodge for the hotel when near you. He want me fight. He want me come up for the.
Don't be so used to be. You the listing. Like say you the listing. Like say you go the check. This one where you can't sit down. No do you na regbedin. No do you maybe na low where you can't sit down for there. Can't they insult your head for there. If you not reach to this length, you forgot look and say, I know this one not be new video. The color cost you. Leave and so color they do. But I not believe say go cost you. When wish they not even cost her. Or mamieta, you only talk say the color when they talk say, so now they feed your mother. Because they say, and they go they feed your mother. What you say make I talk? O man na dia when you riba any rabia na ni ju. You have man when you be vago no worry about you. Wait do ta worry about any. Which one can be male for inside? Which one can be male or which one can be color? I talk any can color gbog be ma worry we mojo no zuwa. Abi o me to mojo gba o ge rabi je. Wa ku dide yo kere.
For the friendship he want, he call the drag you lebe. And you know watch video. Even when me when get pikin wey don't pass 30-something years.
I wanna do a live video.
They call you because they British or Paka.
So your pikin don't pass 30-something. So your pikin don't pass 30-something. Oh, when I use when you not know your left and right. Ube mojene. You don't feel talk for matter. You don't feel settle issue. You don't feel talk without you not insult somebody. Pikin where you not born what your bonia. Eh? Your pikin don't pass 30-something. Fear go let you carry your pikin come the insultant. When you carry your head for don't know what your bonu. I be your mate. You did say you senior me because I dey respect you. Ah, Rudano na jodo na gemi anti a bread na soku you wa me. Now you dey think say you senior me everybody. You don't know say na respect na people they give. Abi you not know.
Saga me. I look you, I laugh.
May I come on
that
this
way.
one way and down where?
Thanks to you guys turn on this social media. You see, precious man, may I tell you, you refuse to dance to their toe. You don't already dance to their toe. You know why? No. For that first time, when they say, Yaki, you must come as I come apologize. You must bring the proof. That time, you don't dance to their toe already.
See you. Not see what they talk. When something not finish for person mind. When something not finish for person mind. How you say make the person take go? Take it or leave it. Still get them for mind for them. On my kwe, on my salt, on my phone mind dog. Well, when we went to where I said to a Mona just said to it, don't do now, don't do what you banu what my way. Is it okay like this? Shebi, you don't rest for the issue. When you want settle people, you know, so you're supposed to ask. What is still there your mind? So make the person for free. That one where they find apology, he not free. He still there in mind. The thing they bother and say, he man like him now. And then have no your time, man. Come tell them, say I'm sorry. This thing where I thought so, I just use and take talk. What happen on the only noni,
You don't already they dance for their top of tree. Somebody like me now, you get at me say, hey, yeah, if you thank you know how many times people come and say, yeah, if you thank you, yes, I don't look the video because you know what? If I look the video, you know, as I love my Asian people, if I look the video, I will react. I don't look.
You can't lie. Can't lie. This one where they chop shit up and down. This one go fit talk. She will never talk. Or when I'm here with Ijian all day, not on your oh yeah, go. You go say problem not day. You know what she
I don't look. I don't look.
Don't look. How you go look before?
I don't look. This one I come. I try to avoid it, but now they don't know where to come make up come up like this. But I don't care.
Well, no verse. I'm gonna roll out come out and no one me and they hear the abadabidi of them.
Anything the way they do today, they measure my name. I don't like them. Not they measure my name again. If you see as anybody offend me for social media, be it whoever, and you see as I don't want to fight, help me go do the fight. Help me go find the person. Just help me go fight the person. Oh, yeah. You hear me?
Okay, be like.
Come out and go and fight the person for me.
You know the shame, person they fight for you. Because woman no. I'm not going with you know go. Come out, come go fight for me.
She get your secret. What secret? The last time I checked, you don't have my secret. And if she gets her, she come out complain. You are dancing to their tune. Because everybody get each other, get dirty secret for us outside. If you never reach your turn today, go reach your turn tomorrow. Me not get you. Maybe don't see any secret again. We go past one we don't say happen before.
No see, you then you know say. I bet me and the runner me and see the one way where this Uhundan for they talk to me.
Oh, this one we married, but we never go to Nigeria for how many years?
Hey, what?
We are going. Wait, you're not supposed to talk to this woman where I put the picture here soon.
Oh, go back, boy. I never go. You say come abroad. Now truth, I never go. What I want to go do for the Nigeria? Come tell me. Baika, since I come 1900s, I never step Nigeria. Tell me what I want to go do. You guys say a page name monetize it. Even like your down one. Till you prove everything. Because if you not get person for mind, the thing go the wallow now. Or I push you on the mind. You think you can't see the way where they talk to you. You go even sit down and say, I be never offend this person. Why it be like this? What did they happen? You go they ask yourself. Me no na wa dig basse na me no wa ye na go igio wa. On my left and right away. She they analyze this video so. You go analyze the video now. Now don't ever see me say me they analyze person video. It do atalonya, it do atie bonnet. When they talk about that video, waiting no concern the video where I want to analyze. No, I know they don't. If you not concern the video near her. Very hopeless, useless, frustration. Or what joy who? Ona ya gbaleto. You just see her for a body. We want nane. If your boy ya.
I put the picture yes or no. You're not supposed to talk to her because we are. Oh my God, we are going. On the gates. You know that's woman for how many years? He never go Nigeria.
For where? Where you in Nigeria? No time, do something back. Oh, wow, salwa baba. Wow.
Because if you
when you let your boy your band your wife, I never ever go Nigeria. Even mogun boy. Just let you fool your mouth. On you say about me na kuku no way. I know they take una nonsense of lie saga. I dey talk am since I did that time where they do audio. If you want to insult me with truth. I will take them from you and I'll talk to you. But if you come with lie, there is a you say your video, your picture, it fool my platform for all corner. One. You say I don't say where I don't they insult you. Two. I don't even know say this. I go they play on small. I never go Nigeria since I come. What I want to go do for Nigeria? Come tell me. I never go. Because if I want to go, I'll come ask you for money. Should be you borrow me. You buy me tickets, you give me everything where I want to go. Where also go me.
Control yourself, you do something else where you don't expect. Una dey hear me so.
Now analyze, you dey analyze.
It's time for this idiot to leave your new affair ability.
Oh, we analyze on that here, but no way. Now then you tell no say you don't get person for mind. Why quite the way, huh?
As he be said, the woman open platform for you, yeah. He call for your platform. They cost your simple number. They go they cost her. It should never be well with you. You understand? Even though I don't like person, does it mean say?
What you call her tell you? What you call her tell you the truth? Now they pay you. Call her tell you the truth. Or one more, one might be a way to know. Or more no zua. He said now you be, and it's right. This live video, even this Zuo, they did down now. You don't ever see and say you call any of a member. On a moya your live video. Wow, Zuwa. You know what? Wow,
he said, I will come and find to be a person will get problem with her. Why you stay fighter? You don't know Naso be now. You don't know Naso be for social media.
Please love this video, my people.
Yeah, share this video and thumbs up the video for me, please, guys. Help me thumbs up this video. Guy, please. But you for let it go. Because it never come up for your mind, though. Let it go.
You don't say
let it go. Okay? Well, now very useless. Precious men don't like talk. You understand? Let it go like that. Let them come out. Okay? Because since now your friend, you don't boast you boast them back. Una don't settle for back. Let them finish for your mind. Any day when another person they curse you, curse the person straight. Give the person woza. We will join you, give her woza if you don't fit. If you see say you don't fit. Me, I go to. You know now. If you win a do it.
I see a boy seven. Everywhere you collect it by ya some more even small picky way when they never born. You go come give you for you say you go come your hair. Then it not for another one you where you say not the pain yourself who you are here. Okay, now they make you they enjoy passive.
I ask you, my untouchable mama.
You say what? What time no matter if been on the bed.
For this idiot to leave your low affair.
No matter if been on the bed. How do I know what time?
Because I don't need distraction.
About that, anyway, the thing they chop on.
So make that low affair with it.
The thing they chop you for inside body. How you know if it talk to human be like you? I don't understand.
Say, when I really they control person. Nobody should control me.
Hey, what?
Because the last time I checked, was there my work? Why are you in
that's all boring.
You understand me? Settle you. And when you know say that they find what they want to chop, then they find saga when they want to build their page.
Not be you they find.
Yeah.
Now she define oh now she be the number one. Now make anything way fly come out for social media. What you? I get better. I go hold up because he want build the page. Anyone way fly go just pick up. He want carry on. Now me want come talk on. Now she they do. Now what she they do be that one? You don't ever see me say I they carry everybody. When where one more go ya fair the one way and when my dead tie the man one. Or cock back. I go follow them. I want to talk on.
Then they find where they won't bring money for them. You think they'll consider and say, you
know they finish, they talk about
that. Now people wait till they closer to you and yeki. Now you go tell you say you don't do.
Before
don't
you
expect like
if does or not even but before you tell somebody say you don't do, you go ask question. You know, just carry a person where they verse, you say, don't do, keep on. Now I made this one now, you see, they in mind. Wama get going, Wama get telling already, whether he finish for a mind, whether he need make that one content and say, I'm sorry. Una say, make close the mouth, only know. If you talk and he go come beat you for his house, talk and once and for all. Wama get tired. You don't do, you said it your where, you do what you pamper on now one. You don't agree on talk. Now the thing can they reflect for you.
Don't expect live video presenter to on live to say, any video, excuse me. Instead of that, they go put fire, join now.
Now you now.
If you don't know, no now.
Now you be the person. As on the road, not be you cause all of you.
These two sisters, no roots of that many years, or my forward every day now with they hear different stories.
Now, person where you they thought or so, now you cause some, no road talk any and day. You see, I'm not by door. Now you cause all this wahala. First of all, see John one side. Later, now you call on go the other side. Oh, but you better. Oh, hey, you are no you go this side. You go the other side. Or you don't come find, don't know where you want to go. Now you kukuma sit down for where it is so. Not be she cause her. And she they cause everything. A to Z.
More na try more join it together. And those more make that matter die down. Now no go chop that one. Now today, put fire. Put fire.
You wait they talk. So why you not tell this one? You know they see all the video where they do wait till they insult the other side. Oh, that guy, all in the name of say she wants. May their leader will talk say, you are trying, you they help me. Social media. Social media. This is the day where they here. Ereroge. Evo to no change. Nothing there inside. Inside in brain. Nothing there. And why? Maybe a go.
Put fire. If you don't provoke this one, go provoke it. Now, who pass fake account? When I can't even send message. The letters that they do now, that they give that the men way, the jobless men way.
Well, I believe say like say really say that caller better why more bogbe no go apology here now. As you open in live video, say be she for now that one night for starts go just like this thing where you do this woman because they know insultant, they tell them the truth. They tell them the truth. The thing vex others people where it call say now so you be. What you say make them tell you? In your set it born because some money maybe some of the way see coming and they will still be senior. And you go come out your mouth for where I dare you go they give out to my parents. And you go they call your parents, make they come they talk for live video. Make they come follow, make they come defend your parents. You don't get mad to defend.
Jobless men, those are just the call.
Please, I need to share the video, my people.
With low voice.
Yeah, they wrote the nyama comment. Because I know the one me they see. It cannot zwana na atie bonu.
See the wig where I tell you now here they put on. The wig they baffle me. And now tell you wig, it may wig tire me. He cannot even brush it so that you can see the line.
Yeah, he brush it. So you they watch me. I check Shebi thought say it block me. He said he blocked me. Why you call the how you tell they can't they see her now? No okay, boy back bon. How you can't tell they see her? I greet you. Young way Mary. How you did? How you tell they see me? No so I no working in your call with social media.
You get the part. You cannot see the part.
How you want to wait till concern you concern wait till I put for my body.
Alright.
As so, I like I put on.
You get where they go and go somewhere.
What you don't know is that they want you and the Yeki to fight. That's the reason they are.
You're supposed to know.
I don't
even fake account. They know they might.
Hey, so talk. You should wait till concern me. But see what they said that they feed. Oriyo ema so talk. Also, we come now. We come back with donyo. Is the one so what go? If you know what go, what you concern me? If you something there your mind, you parle la dia. Forget it. You bring it out. Don't keep it inside your mind because it's not good for your health. It's not good. You go voila la dia. Nothing they happen. Una say me keep am for inside me no mu kian do. Then on you him everywhere. Person tell am say me go fight. Fight talk am wey the way it be. If na no tan am like finish as ABC. I tie the door we not try next time. You get what I dey take. Abi you say if the something maybe now my mama it happen to you say not get mouth to talk. Oh why you here no? E ma ta. O tai o italo ne he do ya sungu. Better one na wa masati. It's okay. It's okay. No worry. Just keep it. The pain, they pay you. No worry. Keep it. No worry. It go heal. My sister, this woman is not up to 50. I don't mind. They claim they say be 55 years. 55 years. Or 55 years. Or 10 years. Or you don't get common sense. Picking where they born today. It gets sense person.
They know they my fake account. That is what make Mudia for you for wait first. My love you for okay, let me pick
no verse and one me I just roll now. You can now go me ma when you are done.
We go reach it do. He says sorry now.
Okay.
They tell you sorry. If they
no verse now the other lady wey be say them they call her Ovi Ohani. That's all that they do. That's all that they do. That's all that they do. Because the other lady will be say the verse now. Because they will see somebody, they look and say na small pikin. You understand? They look and say Ovi Ohani. Even the precious, no we have to make bini. That's why even they talk. You say, you look more measure. Me na 35 years. I just complete 35. And 35 years I complete. Then you will be say you get a age not better. You don't get sense. You go they call that one of your honey. You know say some people they don't get a big care. You know no say oh no of your honey. Ya wow ya oka no ma ya oka no wo ne abi me don't can no ma wo no. Now I you tell no. I know say some people still don't ya wa koko bet you go they look and say na over your hand. Person wey see me now, you not go give me my age. But when I don't know my age, why is it so? My age is 35. Why is it so? Now so they let to they look person one kind of your honey. Even though say you want even talk to person, you know say of your honey, that lady, you know, that lady or that woman. If you don't know a name, if you don't know the name where they say, hey, precious man, they go on. Not sabi talk. The very day where I know say not sabi talk. When they talk to his sister where he's senior, they say that she be senior. The one where they say senior, say shut up your mouth. Not be that one I ask you. I know what Bobonia. I was like, why? Why shut up your mouth? Because you senior now. You want to tell her shut up your mouth because in winner the social media. Why you not tell her say it's okay? Respect. If you not respect person, how person want to respect you? Well, go to go shut up your mouth. Why you go tell me shut up your mouth? But now you see some people, then they talk to their elder sister anyhow because their elder sister not get sense. You know, sabi talk. Or mommy do dion no. She come to me to tell people that this is it. They might not, you can't lie. Or you told it. Or told it, yeah.
She be woman like me, she tell me I will tell her. So probably she don't use like take fight me. I don't go use like fight her. Oh, you don't be my weapon.
That one I
you never talk finish you. You know they listen. Maybe you too now you be live video presenter before you go do your own live video presenter.
Yeah, they come out.
They give them joy. Why you go answer this phone and news? Guy thumbs up my video. If you know say na fight, they give them joy. You for not answer this.
Lare Oswald not working. Oswald ne mabule. Quattro okyo. You know they look yourself. Before you go give people name, you sit down. You look yourself. Say no rimegbe or bungbe. I go find out your work gidi. I go find out. Have anybody will get time on and send that to my inbox. I go find out. Me I can't show you. Me I can't. I see Elena Zowe for you where you know there. You know they look yourself before you they feel kind man. Because everybody they get what they not like for their body. And you see this my nose. I love Van. EJVO. Me I hear when na ni o mu work but talk when they no you na gbedin. It go for you. I don't get problem to breathe. You know how many people get problem to breathe. One thing we breathe say. Wow. Ogun by call a Beatrice talk by ka. De zara. They know who are
for no answer this it will go. If for ignorance is how many years are they don't know they put my picture stop.
Now if you don't bring back come on you see where you waka go. A street in where where wakari if you go find now bring come. Me na the best way because I know they delete video. You delete. It did there. Go look for her. Woman view it. You go eat you go young way from my hand. Because you want maybe you want me they talk about you. I know they talk about you because I don't see anybody for them. Common sense you don't get your brain nothing dey inside. So why I go come they talk about person where be say not get sense. No one go no ho neni. The idea wetin I want come they talk about you. Where problem they not there for they see you. They know they see you for good thing. Nobody on this media go talk good about you. Is that not a shameful thing? A big one. U betty lele ya u sieti lele el corner everywhere. Then you cause no, but and which person go come out? He go come say one can talk good about you. Everywhere, you know they. This kind of thing no good though. Wait till them not like make I can't change them. Oh, you say it good. Oh yeah, even though say that they insult you na sell up or made to ya wo.
Stop. Nobody they stop me on. It is a big great person. You go carry your picture, carry your picture, boy, carry your picture back.
I'm a great person. Be like say you don't see him before. Now I be yes. I be great person. Wow soon. Wow warrior. Benuka. If you not bring that all those one we watalo no man view. She can't tell me say me I dey carry a video. Okay, my people. Maybe not because of that one, because now so that they do me I don't know. You get one video where be say I do one certain time. So she can't love that video as I take talk put. Because he grab bonyeku for me to just like talk like I go come up for them. Now what I see for media, I'll pick on this one, put out together. Take talk. If you not like them, good and fine. Then now my opinion. You know if you beat me for my opinion. I not still come at me, I can't still beat you for your opinion. Not be everybody go like your opinion. You understand? That make me a little say, I respect your own, but to respect my own. Oh man, respect my own also. Do you understand? Can you just imagine? Yesterday I saw her making a video saying that Lolo's son break Lolo's head. Now so she defend trouble they go. They don't need a ladian on a temu. Oga so oga ready you can be a kaji. But no ready you. Now cost fit. Na cost a cost of 1 feet. The thing they make and they sweet and all yes. Oh yes. Oga ready you can be a kaji. Munje can that be waje. You know see for them. Oga ready you the lay ya. Where be say if pikin where be say go reach go no ka no re AGBA e ba no na ku e ba no na gbe bolu e ba no na do atota do azebulu kede odo le niya do aze ebubeyun na then na you for see you know see for work na tem agbo umi ole ba
if you no ma kan osu wunu yo
my people na don't ever see me no ma kan e ya agbo no yo. You just say I be like you. Imagine no oh, my sister don't feel call. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. I bet never insult her, yeah. We see the wait and may bring the video come out. Then we give her time. You know, say if now let me one, they give her boza, no problem. If you don't bring her here, no, why do I bong? Not just insult her, talk your mind, your opinion.
You don't mean I say you go into them, but this has been. When they talk, now me the who call that day, I might just
yes, man.
Wait.
Now you, I know say now you call. What you do advice on? Where obvious how we Eh.
You be obvious, you be obvious when what is doctor. You go yes, I went more than doctor. You went with one. And 1 year, when I took Fiabo Twister, when I sat was saying, when whatever that color be like it, Joe. Oh, thank God. I never go Twister. When okay. When I read it, they say, well, that the way you're not the palace, okay, they said, oh, thank God, sir. And then they come right. When you to our parents, I switch here. I will end up switch our personal way. They do what, Jana, they do what Thomas, so what I said, Tomao, but as Zena said, it's a move for Tomaro, or Kenya. What I said, Thomas. When no more warrior. You know when they take place, say person.
No, they look yourself. No, not get for us.
You don't say no blame on motor.
Oh. Because that one they find.
When you go crowd and you say you they analyze.
They analyze.
When you put that somewhere Horia, operator will enter house and say, now we want to say, what do they get a begging or casting while we get your choice and the kind of what I look myself our traditional item to a rose.
Yeah.
Now the best about because I'm was saying me. And they wait for you.
Thank you.
You not prove that this
Thank
thing.
you.
All this thing for
Hey,
your
no
head.
brigand. If you not brigand, you go chop it. Aye, my sister. Where's say?
I'm telling you, man.
Thank you. Now promise. I get your time well. Unless you brigand come out, or you come out, can't use your mouth to talk, say, I lie on your head, no verse. Hey. You are supposed to we are there. You not doing like that. Hey, oh. Hey. And on the main, if
you get able to get it up, you don't insult the Lolo before. Now,
you say me, I don't insult Lolo before. They pay you, this woman. They say you they lie before. I did not they believe, oh. When we work your mind say, I will back when now you be. Yes, because someone not told and that's what it's supposed to be. You say I don't insult them. It make me the laugh.
No. I will bear you.
This will not get happiness for us. Now you see where people they fight, they derive joy from inside.
And I be this one, huh? Now I be this Uhundan so. You don't get joy. So the thing go the sweet time. It go they jump up and down. Enjoy everyone, no picking, nobody. Husband, he use a cupboard to take turn to or wine. If they go they talk to a cupboard for them, you go they think say na wine, then you go they talk to. Maybe na people wait there for inside telly. All of them are wine. Okay, we na re ide ye bed gbi. Or that for error way go use and take the rubber. A frustration is there. Frustration there. All these people want to see so. Now I make they tell you say if you na never even marry, no come. Go find husband. Good or bad. So if I may day for there, he day with you for inside house. Otherwise, you can't do nyama nyama. Who want carry? Where go see you? Say go see this one. God forbid bad thing. Most of una they destroy una image for live video. Where be say never una not get man for inside house. You dey destroy your image. You dey destroy your. You dey tell people the way where you be. Because say you working your work displaying. So go can carry you. They fear. Because say I need woman where be say they responsible, and only woman where be like, you know, because when waya belly kia mostly they know the dena jena. Who go carry? Which man where be say he correct, he hair correct. He go carry this the day put for inside house. This Uhundan put for inside house. Lawyer. Again, you when I home door, you say you want make money. The money now you not make am. You might get back in social media. Or Donia, you not get. Which one you then where you go bonje where am see and where you work bay. Now me cause maybe me cause your frustration. Please love and like this video for me. I need to share the video. I'm not causing for your body. Many people will be say they come abroad, they find husband. Those one way one born join their picking, they born join now. Then where those young money carry people wait there for live video body again. Before you see person will not insult you. Now you the see person, if you not bring and come out, it's a promise. I promise you. Bring those video where I say insult you. If you not bring them, I go open na me talk. Nothing they happen. I go open na nya do amwe bogbo hunu ya mo rejo mo ni. Yes. You hear now? You see this lady where call, so you hear say she say na she call. I talk and that say na Asian person even call. Did he vex some? Even me where be say if they do this something, if they vex me, but I no Greek cause that one where be say they find apology. Because some more diom me I might be on anywhere go come out, go come they use up and bidi, I'll come they call my parents or they call my brothers. Now true say this person ain't the feed una. Now true say they send money cause they give una. Umunya ye lie. Then you carry your sister. Shut up there. I'm talking. Common respect. You not get. Hello.
Hello? Even that day when people they come, you talk say they no insult. I remember you just when they not insult. It's just like precious neck, It's just waiting people talk for such a mama live video. It's not an insult. It's just like if now you will be precious neck, let's be honest as we say. If now you let assume me say I be like video presenter. Nobody come talk that thing like against my parents. I come and come and take the test. If now you will be precious neck, you will come and come talk to me.
Yes, so.
Me not be.
You go talk now. You go say anywhere Zua. You know? Anywhere Mumu.
It's not for the social lesson I need to do go come out with precious men. You can say yourself, you know the top for people matter, but it will vex you. You will say how when you feel life for you. You see the God beg the person. It's not against your parents. It was the reaction of everybody.
Yes. Which I understand very well.
The reason why they say really best everybody. I mean the first speaking. Person who will come and call life. Okay, you can come and go as me say the matter are true. It was not insult precious name. Nobody insult you.
You know.
The untouchable mama was telling people not to insult you, but they want to instigate. Make you come and insult untouchable mama. They want to instigate. Okay, precious name go. I don't need to insult you, no, because I don't know you. I don't feel insult you. When you call a biker for life video, when your biker they tell you, see not insult.
Okay.
If they let you know, say, if they get money for life video, he get 5 pages. She was the one insulted you, precious name. Or biker not get who he like. Make I tell you the truth. Biker was insulted you for her life video.
Don't be lying.
Then you. She was degrading you, letting you know that she has the 5 pages where she they collect money. in some people, yes, only with the respect our senior. But she degrades you in the presence of her followers, shouting on you. She's not your mother. She can't direct you what to do on your live video. When you have your page, you can do whatever you wish on your page. Nobody should direct you. Nobody insulted you, precious neck. Every first child, I believe every first child reacted. Not bad. I told you, Mama did not allow people to insult you. If you take an offense to beg and say people react, now you can't know. If you allow people to instigate you, this is what they do. Many years ago, next week, you come and now you know. If not you, although that live video presenter, they like to honor the live video presenter, they come out because they beg, because they agree the lie. You will come and react the way people say react, precious name. All your bad, just forget matter, not let person. I told us to so push up to that within that barrier, or hard. My dear, if you not see the person where he lie against you, when you come make you believe that people where they analyze them, people where they come, now you want to go after. You know people where they come? No. You will see God and everything. Okay, not only a social problem analyze the life with you. Go every presenter where you analyze the life with you. Go they turn the corner, go they pass the corner. You know go work now. You allow better insult you of analyze with you. Or better insult you in the day and they tell you what to. Okay, cannot let anybody control you. You be woman of your own, my dear. Let's let it go. You do your own now. You get your pay, they get their pay.
Now so nobody defeat anybody. Thank you, my sister. No mind now. Obo ada, where semije? Opaika. Obo ada we gbe. You know people where they wait. You know people where they wait for you, Opaika. You know people when they wait for you. Iya wa bunya ye shiriri. Your people, they many. Unless you bring up umana viore. Ya viore. You know, talk like me, you go sit down for his house. No, nah. It's not done that way. What talk and you will prove it.
Who is sorting, Mama? Mama, now, one untouchable Mama video. Now, then the commenters put up the insult. They said, I'm me and you, they cage. That cage where they talk. Maybe not that get cage, you understand? Maybe.
Gunwe, you be vagunu. They don't mind neck. You know, you want a leader talk as far as say you they love one. you be puppies forever. Abi my own ozuo. That cage where then they talk. What you want to talk now? Why don't tell me, ma?
So maybe when like I see one video now and say, I will never after they don't use the mama sweet ground, I will never insert this. Hey, they assessing this one. Labuwa. People don't use your mama. That name remain forever. They use your mama sweet ground. It remain forever. You are not coming to.
Because I know
what they instigate. They pass my ear.
And we are the.
Only now you look.
I mean, no, not. We
are not going to be
I my people. Anytime one see say maybe they talk, he put me for his side. We send the ego. No, no, my WhatsApp number. Why send the ego? In area wo me. Me I dey roll am because I know want me I dey hear the rest people. You cannot now talk him where na that one concern me.
So to what we got mas.
Nyama.
Yeah, I'm very. That's what one more time for nothing. And she don't have my secret. Then she has it and give me the other to come and play it off or keep quiet forever. This of annoyance.
Okay, man, no verse. I don't know. You see?
Yes.
Yeah, they roll.
51 minutes.
Hey, he said the caller thought say she dey cage. It didn't moha. Now be the insult where be say they claim say they insult her. When Mama Susie they talk to her, now she they talk this one say, and then they call her now where in cage. If you know the fear woman like you, woman go talk, who go one. What did they happen? If you curse you curse her. Which one can be caller contact say Ediye Moha, Ediye Wekage? I've been never hear before say they talk and say as far as say you be lover. Now she the lead una. So you did the behind. Why the yeke? Go to the back. Ah. This one na waiting say caller talk or way provoke and way say na I'm gonna ask me whether na caller na he come to talk for live video. The caller way call way be say call for inside. Not be talk and say na true. You already know ya ta way na true. Eh? The bonne caller get in where they only. I don't understand you. No, they hide all those who do allege you when in here. It's until they pay you. Voice her out. Maybe you know what offend somebody. But you know baloweno. Who go come blame you? Me, I don't go blame you. Now wait till they pay you. You bring her out. Probably not there. But not when they pull say law caller can they do this one. Caller can say eri wekage. Eri hiding gwan. Ah. I bet me I don't know come out in the can Uhundan and now look like big bear.
Now you know use wisdom. You not talk say Rosie White na be.
No verse.
Rosie, you are here now. Now here. Don't want to come. Where Rosie? Where?
I don't want to listen to all those women.
You go fire the person, mama. Squeeze you.
He sent it to me. I listen. It's okay. Talk
truth.
That one I want to concern them, okay?
Because you can't say you just tell us white making.
Like when 3 of us one day.
If there is any conversation,
I know it beautiful. I recommend the precious one. When you they talk, calm down. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen if you know what.
I know what me and you can listen to you.
Meg, damn this matter. Not just talk.
Watch your mouth. Wait, Okbaba working. Okbaba working. You don't be.
Oh.
You know that.
Even though it let me tell you.
Yeah, when I
oh no, honey. Where about you? Me, I will say I'm sorry. We are never getting a kill myself. Stay your lane.
Yeah.
Well,
you say me stay lane. If you know say not finish for your mind. Instead of Anton tell and say if you not finish for your mind, wait till day your mind. Then you talk. Not be so or John Heken or Yagua. Stay your lane. I won't want so do no more here. No mind that. My people, we go continue, okay? Till she go bring and come. Maybe we first give her time. Maybe she defend the video or not. Because normally, when they say they insult them, then they keep her in case of incasity. Because she knows, say, I no insult her. Now she just like, one can they lie to people where they there. Make those one they believe, say, this woman, you don't they insult her since. I don't know why I'm not be like that. On my make here bonuwa before now say that person don't pay when they insult me. So the person can't they insult you, you no can't get mad to insult the person back. You can't leave her. Me, I never see say on the leave person will just come out, go come the insult on my wife or boy. Omani makwe insult to once and will come out for the person. So may you make sure say you go bring those video come, okay? Because wait till you be believe for your mind. Say when you do this video, may I tell now one thing. Because of say I know they reply people, okay? Because the video where we say I do when I analyze, she come and she talk about that video whether I insult the body for there. I don't care. I don't even like can't reply am. I just like make I just leave this woman for this side, you know? She believes for her mind. This one every day, the Zagazaga, she believe for her own mind now, say she go do this video where she don't know where the video for the come. Or man not ta, you know, ask question, nothing. She fall, put for inside like a bedding. Big D. Or in the name of say, she want come insult me. She believe say she do this video, I not go come ask question. I not go come retaliate. I not go open mouth. I go just yawo, utori. That was then. I don't see and say most of una. Amana buwa. Amana vabu you why so what is the need? And you can't still like put for his side. On your book way. So you must bring those proof. If I wait to this week, Uma Viore, by next week. imi awaki awa eboni ewa amu egbu ohun awa amu egbu ohun steady. I'll come no say yes, I really don't insult you. Oh yeah, do your worst. That make me the way so. Bring a call, you know, John, you see, don't pay many video where I don't do where I take they insult you. Go pack then come. You are in pieces in my hand. You are in pieces. It's time for you to grow up. Sense you don't get. Before you call people name, look yourself as you be. Before you call people name. Before you insult people. Look am. This person never insult me. Make I not insult. You they analyze. You they insult. Who will analyze every video? You they insult me for there. Where you don't know as anything to happen. Even the person where he say I analyze video. Or if you use the man to talk and say the woman not insult me. Now wait till call her talk. Now it's sonora. When we analyze, we're not what here bonime. I never insult you once since I did this live video. You say I don't insult you. Since I call now start to insult you. Why viore? All the video where they say they do now,
yes,
they analyze that for you.
We are not getting or yet
Hey, you understand?
if they want now when you don't they talk to present as small.
Mike, we drop a message now. After this one, no will ever talk for any platform. I go tell you that I don't like Rita.
You don't do. And our network because he want me I go work because my
I beg you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Now people, see you or maybe later today, all right? Or tomorrow. So may I go the look and whether maybe don't bring those video comments. If you never bring them, grandmother as not be bad to be grandmother. Some people they work your make single sense you don't get. That make them they talk say age is just a number. Small pikin go come out. Wait till the small pikin go talk. We hi, ufiane. But they are going na ne go be like person. You go don't look and say, well, now time will no nine. And so this woman be. When I don't see say they are vice person. You not here for a side here say if maybe the thing is sonora, if I open live video, then if they insult me, then she go they tell her for phone. Wait till you want tell me because when you're not yolo they are suni many. You understand? That's what she thought. And what she they do for back now be all this. You go say go insult her. Because me I not sabi talk. Una they look me like person who not sabi talk. Hell, Ojama so me because I keep quiet. I keep quiet. Not me say I be mumu say I don't know what I they do. I sabi respect people. Even though say you be small person. Even though say you be big, I go respect you. But if I see say you don't need that, I go beat you. Yeah, they do total your one. When me want total your one because you not deserve her at all. I never open my mouth insult you one day. I never open my mouth. That make me if I want to analyze, I want to analyze person video. Even though say you be small pikin, I go analyze that the way you go like. Because you know say you want to analyze small pikin. Where be say you senior, you want to analyze the video, you call the insultant, you call the one make the person not come. If you want to analyze a video, analyze and without no insult, the person not come for you. You go pick sense for inside, go throw away the rest. My can not go carry person video, make the person not come for her because they go. All tie bon no money in video ni. You don't ever see me do one. Like I say, they do many live video of people, therefore they come for me. Yeah, the way they do a tie bon me, which is right. Because what in my video man no don't bring your money, why it's tie bon no money, then you say make the person not come talk to you. He go come, even though say you want to analyze, you analyze and where. Like say she just analyze this video now. You know insult me for inside. You know talk all those abadabidi way be say when they talk. He say for many years, almost 50 years where I did for abroad, I never go to Nigeria one day. You don't know me, I don't know you. I never call you once. You never call me because God forbid bad every corner where you go. I me up and tell me we're good. Nobody. No one who go come and we go come talk say, no, I too like this woman. See the advice where you give me now to do something. You know, day. Now we go tell you, say, you go fight person. Go insult her. Go beat her. go come for head. Not only that one, then she sabi. And the thing go they give and joy, go they happy for inside house. Then she they do. So that kind of person, me not feel me go with them. As well, talk, we go put fire, more, go they oh here go toto. Then she be. The thing go the sweet time. Don't you know? If now really person where be say he know what he be, what he's supposed to do. Okay, he know as that one say they talk for a live video. You know go tell us okay, waiting they pay you. Or man know it. Not be if you not finish for your mind. Person they you see say person they talk. The thing you see they boil for mind say she not like this words where this woman talk. Even though say she come talk say yes, they really they give my parents money. I just do I tell raise and make people not come they like no. Yema say no other money. When I get time my own. She not reach to tell that person say okay as it be now since we don't settle the issue. I beg if you they do video just talk am for them say. And I know now if they do saga na so we they do. Not be say they really they feed him parents so he want to send go Guinea Bettina wa ya mo no very oni. Finish. He go finish for your mind. But if they go and take money. He go say if you not finish for your mind, may you stay your lane. You see the way we take buenenezo. I beg my people, see you all later. Thank you for coming. Bye bye for now.